So if you are thinking how I change the background, then I would like to tell you I use a green cloth to change the background. I will just show you how I did it. I use this cloth to change the background of my video. I bought it from Amazon and adjusted it properly. Then I use Filmora software to change the background. I will just show you how I did it in Wondershare Filmora. So in Filmora 9, first you need to add the photograph. I want to use this photo and add it to tagline number 1. Okay, just drag it and drop it here. Now you need to import the video. This is the video. Put it on tagline 2. Put it in tagline 2. Drag and drop it properly. Okay, click on do not change. Now drag it till end of the video. Now in the video, just click on this video, right click on this, click on green screen, and you can see the background is automatically changed. Now you can adjust. You can see these are the layers, some layers you can see. You can adjust them. You can see, you can adjust them. It should look natural. You can adjust this tolerance level. This looks fine. You can just decrease the voice and let's see how it works. You can do further adjustments with this tolerance and this offset. This looks fine. You can see the background is changed now, and it is looking good. And you can do further changes with this as per your requirement. Okay, so I hope now this green background issue is resolved for you in Filmora 9. In case you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care, friends.